Today we are going to learn how to do Surya Namaskar. I hope you have already started doing the Jivan Tattva exercises. If you are practicing Jivan Tattva yoga, your body will become clean and pure. You will become more flexible and you will be able to do Surya Namaskar easily. If you have not started doing Jivan Tattva exercises, at least do the part 1 before doing Surya Namaskar, as that will work as warming up and you won't feel much pain in your body. If you do Surya Namaskar without warming up, it will cause pain in your body. It is always better to do Surya Namaskar in an empty stomach early in the morning during sunrise or evening during sunset. Doing Surya Namaskar in the presence of the sun in an open atmosphere gives you more benefit and makes you more energetic, as this will allow you to inhale more oxygen and to absorb more vitamin D from sunrays. Now let us start Surya Namaskar. This consists of 13 postures including the Pranavasana and 2-3 postures repeating. First, Pranavasana. Yoga is the union of mind, body and soul. Make this union possible by surrendering ourselves to the soul and allowing it to make changes in our body and mind to make it more beneficial to us and others, by making it positive and energetic to move towards our goal. Second one, Urdhva Namaskar. It is a back bending posture. Don't overstrain, bend as much as you can. Breathe in and bend backward, stretching your hands backward. This helps in eliminating the middle back pain. Third one, Hasta Padasana or Pada Hastasana. Breathe out, bend down to touch the feet. Don't overstrain, bend as much as you can. If you cannot touch the ground, bend your knee initially. Next, fourth one, Ega Pada Prasaranasana. One leg stretching back. Breathe in, stretch your right foot back without moving your left foot and your hands. Next, fifth one, Dipada Prasaranasana. Breathe out, keeping right foot fixed, stretch the left foot also backwards without bending your knee. You will be just looking like a plank. In this position, don't strain too much. Suddenly come to the next position. Fifth one, Shashankasana, child pose. Bend both the knees and come to this pose, breathing in and out when you come to the position, and relax with normal breathing. This is the position very safe and very beneficial to relax, as this is very effective in calming our mind. You can be in this position for 1 minute and then the sixth posture, breathe in and come to Shashtanga Namaskar, and here also do normal breathing. Seventh one, again breathe in and come to Bhujangasana. Don't strain too much, only with experience you can get a perfect posture. This exercise helps in eliminating the back pain and reducing the belly fat. Breathe out and come to Parvatasana without moving your hands and legs. This posture is very good to increase the blood circulation in your head and also good to regulate low BP and headache due to sinusitis, migraine, etc. This helps in reducing sinusitis by pumping blood into the sinus area and flushing out the waste inside the sinus area. Next one, breathe in, come to Ekapada Prasaranasana. Now moving your right leg forward. Again breathe out, come to Pada Hastasana. Move your left leg also forward, bend down to touch the ground. Next, Urdhva Namaskar. Breathe in and bend back, hand stretching back again. Breathe out, come to the Pranavasana. You can do this exercise 1 time the first day, 2 times the second day, till you reach 10 times, and at that point That is, after 7 days of regular workout, you will be able to do all these exercises in a minute, and at that point you will become expert in doing this. When you start doing in the fast pace, you can do 5 to 7 times faster and 2 to 3 times slowly. As if you do Surya Namaskar in a faster pace, it acts as warming up, and when you do it in a slow manner, it will, with much concentration in breathing, it will become yoga. Surya Namaskar is a complete yoga practice, and it can make you very healthy and energetic. It makes use of 95% of the joints in your body, and if you regularly practice Surya Namaskar, you will be ready to do pranayama, which we will see in another video. Namaskar.